as you guys can already see from the title, or if you have not yet already noticed, my hair grew. Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. In this video I'll be sharing with you how I installed this wig, how I cared for this wig. It's super easy. It was so much fun to wash and care for this wig. It's just like your hair. Like, you guys, let me not get started right now. So today's video is in collaboration with Ft.CurlsCurls. Love your curls, love yourself. Okay, I do love myself because I love my curls. I will leave everything in the description below if you want to have this everyday wig this year. I got you. So let's go in my bathroom. Thanks Ft.CurlsCurls for sending me this wig. I love it. This wig came in this cute box. It also came with this cute card that contains details on how you can care for the wig and how you can easily install it. It is super easy, and like I said, this is an everyday wig. It is machine made, guys. 100% virgin human hair. It is our 3C4A kinky curly texture. You don't need glue to install it. It has no lace, so you don't have to worry about that. And it's very comfortable to wear, so you don't have to worry about your edges. This wig will protect your edges, guys. So what more do you need as a natural other than this wig? So when it comes to caring for the wig, it was super easy. This wig is like my hair, so the way that I washed it and styled it was the same way that I do for my natural hair. I used my Miracle Moist shampoo to cleanse this wig, and I also worked in sections which kind of reminded me of my own wash days, and I was like, this doesn't feel any different. I don't feel like I'm washing a wig. I feel like I'm washing my own hair. So it was super fun and super easy, and you guys can see the shine and the waviness of the wig. You can see how easy it is for me to use my fingers to run through the wig. It just felt like my own hair. So Ft.CurlsCurls recommends products to use while caring for this wig. Unfortunately, I didn't have any of the products that I recommended, but I thought it was very thoughtful of them to share this with people just like me who are beginners. I thought it was really cool for them to share that with us. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with my conditioner, and I'm using my DIY flaxseed gel as my conditioner. Like I said, Ft.CurlsCurls recommends products in the card that has more information of products you can use as your conditioner on this wig. I found this to be helpful. Honestly, I didn't have any problem with using my flaxseed gel on this wig, and you can see that I was able to run through my fingers with the wig, and I was able to use my tangle teaser also to kind of see how it really defines the curls. And you can see it was super easy to run my fingers through the wig, and it really gives me this shine and curls that I love to see with my own hair. So yeah, it was easy to finger detangle for sure, and the curls were popping. I just loved it. I just loved caring for this wig and looking at how it gives the curls and the definition, the bounce, and all of that. Everything that we love on our natural curly hair. I use mostly my fingers and a tangle teaser to show you the difference, and you can see this part of my curls was defined, and this other part was still defined but still a little bit frizzy. So I wanted to really show you the difference with that. And the minute I apply the flax gel on the other side, you can see the shine, you can see the waviness, you can see the curls. You can see, right? Anyway, so I wanted to show you how much I was able to shade my entire process, and this is how much I was able to shade. So I kept it on my plastic cup for about 10 minutes, and I was able to wash the gel out, and this is how my curls look like. This is how it looked like. I loved this wig, you guys. I loved the curls with this wig. Look at that. Look at how it easily separates. My hair doesn't do this. No, it doesn't. but this wig was able to do this, and it kind of really encouraged me with my natural hair journey, and I loved this wig a lot. Remember guys, I have a 5% coupon code for you all, so link is going to be in the description below. So got you. And then I went in with my leave-in conditioner. Yes, you guys, I took care of this wig just like I would with my own hair. I used a leave-in conditioner, and I also used my coconut curling cream to add a little bit of that waviness and curliness on the wig. And I went in with my tango teaser to kind of define my curls. The whole process was just amazing. It was just unbelievable. It just felt like my hair. And yeah, I was not getting that wig off my head. I did everything with that wig on. I also sealed that whole moisture with my DIY oil, rosemary oil. And yeah, I went in to braid my hair. I literally braided it up just like I would with my own hair. You know, like I love braid outs, you guys, more than twist outs. But with this wig, you can do whatever style that you want. You can do a twist out, you can do a braid out, you can do whatever you want with this wig. And yeah, I was able to twist up the front part of this wig, like the bangs, and that's how my hair was. And I tied it up and went about my business for the day, just like my hair, and just left it to dry. And yeah, wait for the results, you guys. Okay guys, I am back and my wig is dry. Let's put it back on. Did I show you that it has these adjustable straps, so you can move it to whichever one works for you? Super easy to wear. I'm gonna cut out this with my... Okay. So the takedown is just like you're doing your hair. It's gonna put a little bit of oil on my hands, and then we're gonna take them down. Ooh. Comment down below if this doesn't look like my real hair. Okay, I'm gonna do this, unravel this, and I'll come back. I'm gonna fluff it because I love big hair, you guys already know. Hope you enjoyed this video. That's all I had for you, and like I said, you guys, I have a 5% off. Go and find the link in the description and everything that has to do with this wig. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you so much for those who have already subscribed. Thank you so much, Curls Curls, for collaborating with me and sponsoring this video. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.